Okay, so I'm going to review now 1992 AMC8. Question number 11. The bar graph shows the results of a survey on color preferences. What percentage preferred blue? So we want the percentage of this. So let's just first total up the whole thing. So this is 50, this is 40, no, this is 60, this is 40, and this is again 60, and this is 40. So this total is going to be 250. So we just have to see how much is 60 out of 250. Okay, so that gives me an answer option of B, 24%. Okay, going to the next question. The five tires of a car, four road tires and one full size pair were rotated so that each tire was used the same number of miles during the first 30,000 miles the car traveled. How many miles was each tire used? So the car traveled 30,000 miles, and at any point in time only four tires are used, right? So I'm going to multiply 30,000 by 4 to get 1,20,000, which is uh, the rotation at a point in time for four tire means the total uh, rotations done. Now this I will divide by 5 because equally, so this 1,20,000 is split equally between 5, right? So that's what it says. So I'm going to divide like this. So it will be 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, so it's going to be 24,000. So that's C, your answer. Going to the next question. Five test scores have a mean average score of 90. So mean is 90. If the mean is 90, five test scores, right? So 90 into 5 is equal to 450 is the total of all tests. Okay. Then median is 91. Median is nothing but the middle number. And so because median is 91 and we have 5, so it's like this 91 dash dash. This is how the numbers are. And the most frequent is the mode. So we have a mode, right? Sometimes when we don't have one number more, then there won't be a mode, but here there's a mode. There's a mode is more than the other numbers, right? So the only possibility is this is also because mode is 94, this is going to be 91, sorry, 91, 94, 94. Then only mode can be the 94. So now I have here a total of 94. So 450 minus 94 minus 91 minus 94 is going to give me the total of the first two, right? Some of the two lowest test scores. So that answer is going to be B, which is 171. Okay, going to the next question. When 4 gallons are added to a tank that is one third full, the tank is then half full. What is the capacity of the tank in gallons? So half minus 1 by 3 say, is equal to 4, correct? Added to a tank that is one third full, the tank is one half full. So one half minus one third is equal to 4. So this is going to be 6 and this is going to be 3 minus 2. So 1 by 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, full tank will be 6 into 4 is equal to 24 gallons. Answer option D. Okay. Yeah. Now going to the next question. What is the 1992, that is 1992nd letter of the sequence? So let's see after how many numbers the sequence repeats. So A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. Then you have A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. So it repeats after every 5, 9, right? 9, 9. After every ninth letter, this repeats. Okay, so I'm going to say 1992 by 9. So that's going to give me a remainder of 3, right? So this is basically 9 2s are 18, 2s are 18, 12, 9 ones are 9, remainder 3. Okay, so when remainder is 3, the third letter is what we have, C, right? The pattern. So C is my answer. Going to the next question, 16th. Which cylinder has twice the volume of the cylinder shown above? So what's the volume of this cylinder first, right? So its volume here will be hmm, 10 is the radius and 5 is the height. So pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. So this is going to be pi into 10 square into 5. So this is equal to 500 pi. Okay. Now the question is, which cylinder has twice the volume of the cylinder shown above? So we just have to calculate the volume of the remaining cylinders. So this is going to be 20 square. So this 400 into pi. 400 into 5. So this is more than double, right? So let's look at the second option. So this will be 10 square into 10 into pi. Okay, so this is double. This is nothing but 1000 pi. Correct? So the answer option here is I don't see answer options given here, only E is given, but yes, this is your answer option B. Okay, going to the next question. The sides of a triangle have length 6.5, 10, and S, where S is a whole number. So this is a whole number. What is the smallest possible value of S? So as we know, in a triangle, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, right? So we'll say 10 plus 6.5. So if S greater than 10 plus 6.5, no, sorry, not plus, minus, what am I saying? Sorry, difference, the third side is greater than the difference of two sides, right? So it's basically S is greater than 3.5, right? So the smallest value possible for S is 4. Just answer option B, because it's a whole number. That's what we want. Okay. So the theorem says that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. That's what it is. And the difference of two sides is lesser than the third side. So the third side is greater than the difference of these two sides. Going to the next question. On a trip, a car traveled 80 miles in an hour and a half, then was stopped in traffic for 30 minutes, then traveled 1000 miles during the next 2 hours. What was the car's average speed in mile per hour for the 4-hour trip? So we have 80 miles, then traffic he stopped, so that's 0. Then we have 100 miles. This is the distance, and time is 4 hours, right? So 180 by 4, that will be 445. Okay, which is answer option A. Basically distance by time. So the distance between the 5th and 26th points on an interstate highway is 118 miles. So this is the fifth point. Then we have a line. This is the 26th point, right? So in between you have these points 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 26. Okay, so these are all like points. So now how many points such points exist? It's 26 minus 5. That's equal to 21 exits are there. Correct? Or yeah, so these are all, so each exists exit, right? So what is the largest number of miles there can be between two consecutive exits? 118 to at least 5 miles apart. So each of this is at least 5 miles. Okay. So now out of 21, at least 20 should be 5 miles. Then only the 21st will become the largest, right? So this is 100. So basically 118 total minus 100 will give you 18. So this is the largest between two exits. So just C. Okay. Now coming to the 20th question. Which pattern of identical squares could not be folded along the lines to form a cube? Okay. This can be, this can be, this can be, this can be. This cannot be. You know why? Because this and this is going to overlap. Right? This and this is going to overlap. No, not this. This will work. So this and this is going to overlap. Right? So this cannot form. So answer option is D. Okay. Thank you. I'll just meet you in the next video, which will come shortly. Thank you.